What is up guys? Welcome back sa YouTube channel natin. I don't know, for some reason kailangan ko ng bagong intro guys. Kailangan na natin ng intro. So, bago tayo mag-start. Yeah, wait. Give me 1 sec, okay? Yeah, you wanna go biking na?
Go bike?
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog first. Say hi. Say hi vlog.
Hi.
Teka lang, dilim. Yan. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi vlog.
Hi.
Bago natin i-start tong vlog natin, syempre, kailangan muna natin i-shoutout yung mga nagpapa-shoutout. Shoutout kay Kuya Kirby from Cavite. Yan, shoutout sa'yo and kay Justin. Mga ano yan, mga solid daw ng Nike. Heck yeah! Shoutout sa kanya. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Thank you sa pag-share and pag-comment sa vlog natin everyday. Ay, everyday, not everyday. Every time na upload natin. So ngayon, ipapasyal natin si Makulit. Yan si Makulit. Ace, you ready to go to, outside?
Is I bike?
Yeah, you wanna go bike?
Hello bike.
Lahat ini-invite niya para lang mag-bike siya. So let's go, punta na tayo sa labas at mag-bike na tayo. Let's go. Rico. Oh. So dito na tayo sa labas guys. Masyadong bright. Kailangan na natin ipunta yung shades niya. Ito yung shades niya guys.
Is it my mommy's car? Is it right? No. You go there, you there.
Okay. I think that's better.
Done.
Oh, Ace.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi. Okay, baby.
Naka-mic kami ngayon para makita nyo gaano kaingay itong si Ace.
Go, go, go.
So guys, punta na kami sa park.
Pork.
Park ng... Where are you going, Ace?
Huh?
Ace, where are you going?
Going?
Huh?
Going?
Yeah, where are you going?
Huh?
Huh? Oh, huh?
Go?
To the park.
Pork. Elephant.
Airplane daw.
Elephant.
Saan ba? Sakit sa mata, Ace. Say hi.
Hi.
Go focus on biking.
Yeah.
What is Spency doing?
You.
Ew.
Drinks. You.
You want some?
No.
Si Spency natanggal.
You.
Tignan mo na yun, Be.
Hungry. Swings.
Swings? You're climbing?
Are there?
Go. Try it. One more.
Oh.
You got it? Hold tight.
No, no.
You did it. Good job. High five. Yeah. You wanna go slide?
And this is
This one, you want in the middle?
this.
Oh, what do you want? Choose.
Choose.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Please
Oh. There you go.
go.
I'm going to push you.
Yes.
Yes, please. Say yes, please. Ace, say yes, please. Me. Oh, kininam.
Please.
Yay! Do you want me to push you harder?
Yes.
Stronger? Yeah, that.
No.
No?
No.
Say stop, please.
No.
No, no?
Yes.
Okay. Done.
No more.
You wanna go down?
Yes. Two.
What's next? You want slide? What do you want next?
Light.
Okay, wait. Careful. Go. You got it. Careful, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, slide. You got it. You got it. Go. You need your help?
Yes.
Okay, hold that.
Okay.
Oh, what was that? Static. You like it?
Again?
Again?
Yes.
Okay.
And it has.
Ah,
It taps. Okay? Okay?
you got it. Go, 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 go.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Careful. Give me one.
Oh,
Okay.
man!
Okay, go slide by your own, okay? No hands.
Oh, no hands.
Yeah, no hands. No daddy's hands. You got it.
Is this?
Yeah, it's okay. Go.
No?
Go, go. You got it. No hands. No help. You got it. You got it. Go, 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 go.
No?
Go. You got it. Go, 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 go. Just a little bit help. Just a little bit help. There you go. Good job.
Hands.
High five.
Mm.
Yeah. So guys, Sabado ngayon. Nag-work ako pa rin. Pero maaga ako na uwi. So ang agenda ngayon is isi-scrape natin yung paint ng bahay. Yung garage lang. Kasi
Bahay mo.
Ha?
Bayan.
Kasi i-repaint natin. Yun yung project natin sa bahay. Dahil ibebenta na natin tong bahay. Dahil hindi na namin kaya ang monthly payment.
Dala, alis na tayo.
Joke lang. Dahil aalis na kami dito sa Washington. Dahil babalik na kami sa Pilipinas.
Nangarap ng gising.
Joke lang. So, bebenta na yung bahay. And isa sa mga suggestion ng realtor namin is i-repaint namin yung garage door dahil may mga crack na yung paint niya. So, sabi ng realtor, madali lang daw. Madali lang mapagod, guys. Mahirap gawin. Ano masasabi mo? Si Ayla ang airplane. Si Ayla kasi yung mostly gumawa ng scraping. Ako, mostly ang ginawa ko tulog. Di ba, be?
Ay, sinabi mo pa.
Mahirap ba?
Napakahirap.
Be daw.
Mami!
So, apparently, be ang pangalan ni Ayla. Kailangan ko na kasing sanayin sarili ko na tawagin siya mami. Mami. So yeah, let's look at the progress.
Yes.
Yung pagsiscrape natin sa garahe.
Look.
Say hi.
Hi.
Pensy, why did you pee? Guilty yung si Pensy kasi umihi. Umihi siya sa loob ng bahay kagabi dahil nga 4th of July. Ayaw niya lumabas. Pinapaihi namin, ayaw niya lumabas. So, usually ganun talaga, no?
Ganun talaga pag...
So, ine-expect na namin na may ihi, may tae dyan sa salas. Pero, understandable naman. Pero, tinan mo, tinitake advantage ko yung pag-ihi niya sa bahay kanina. Sa loob ng bahay kanina kasi guilty siya tinan mo. Unibisyo. Kasi pagtingin ko. Pensy, why did you pee? Huh? Why did you pee there? Huh?
Tenga niya.
Tama, takot na takot. Joke lang. Yeah, let's look at it.
Let's go inside.
Mami, taga lang. Oh. So, ito na yung progress ng scrape. Ginagamit namin ngayon is power wash dahil ang hirap alisin ng pintura nito. Guys, ang pangit na
Yes nga ninyo kung paano ka mo.
Si Mami, sabi ko, yung garahe lang, pati yung sidings. Pati yung sidings, binanatan. Kasi ganyan siya kasipag. Si Mami. As eto, akala nyo isang door lang. Eto, malapit na daw. Ito, medyo matingin. And then, syempre, meron pa tong door na to. Hindi pa tapos yan. Magwa 1 week na kami. Magwa 1 week na kami, hindi pa kami tapos. Pero sabi nila, normal lang daw yan dahil talaga mahirap. Ang pinakamahirap is yung scraping eh. And then pagkatapos na yung scraping, pa-prime na natin. Then doon na tayo, pipaint na natin. Pero as you can see, struggle tayo ngayon. Why?
Glasses.
Tanong mo kung may mga pintor na mag
Ha?
May mga pintor ka
may
ba,
mga
viewer?
pintor na mag suggest kung paano alisin yung
Wala nga, ganyan talaga, mahirap talaga. Nilagyan na namin ng, ano bang tawag doon? Pampaalis ng paint pero mahirap pa rin talaga eh. Paint remover pero hindi siya nagtutuklap eh. Mahina siguro. Ha?
Parang nagme-melt lang.
Nagme-melt lang konti pero hindi pa rin naaalis. Yeah. So yun guys, this is the next day. Katatapos lang namin magsimba. Yep. Ibebenta na namin tong bahay. Dahil may bagong order si Ayla. Ibig sabihin nun, may bagong place kaming pupuntahan. Abangan nyo dahil gagawan ko ng vlog yon dahil mag-road trip tayo. Okay? Ito yung one of the disadvantages na nasa military ka is yung palipat-lipat ka, wala kang permanent address, malilipat ka sa bagong place all of a sudden. Pero when Ayla was signing up for military, alam namin na mangyayari to. So it's not a surprise, and for me, I could take this as an advantage kasi ang dami naming na-experience na bago eh. So malalaman na naman ulit namin yung process ng pag-sell ng bahay. And great thing about it is pag bibili kami ng bagong bahay sa new place is alam na namin yung mga gusto namin. You know what I mean? May mga preference na kami na dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Kasi nga na-experience na namin dito may na-experience na kami na pwede naming maiwasan sa pagbili ng bahay, 'di ba? Mahirap siya, pero sa sobrang dami namin na-experience, sa sobrang dami naming first time na gawin is natututo kami. So, na-enjoy ko yung process, to be honest. Mahirap pero enjoyable siya. Kasi I'm with the family, I'm with Ayla, I'm with Ace, 'di ba? So ang maganda. Hindi siya all negative. Madami kang mapupulot na experiences, and sa process na yun is kasama mo yung family mo. Yun yung the best eh. Yung you're doing the process, you're doing life with your family. So kung interesado kayong bilhin to, comment down below. Bibigyan ko kayo ng ng $50 off. Okay? Thank you again for Marco and JM na minotivate nyo ako na naman na gumawa ng content or gumawa ng vlog. Kasi itong vlogging sa akin is journal ko to eh. Journal namin na as family. So, I tend to do this at least once a week. Okay? No promises, but I'll try to do it. Salamat sa panonood guys. I'll see you on the next vlog. Yep. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ganda talaga ng DJI. Mike. Alright, bye. Peace.